Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction opinion itong post ni Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Isinare lang niya ang post ni Attorney Mark Tolentino tungkol ito sa issue pag-warning ng Speaker Romualdez na pwedeng masampahan ng impeachment case ang mga maestrado ng Supreme Court. So ito ang sinulat ni Attorney Mark Tolentino. On the issue of impeaching Supreme Court justices for their decisions. Yes, Supreme Court justices may be impeached, but not simply because the public or politicians disagree with their rulings. Under Article 11, Section 2 of the 1987 Constitution, justices of the Supreme Court may be removed only by impeachment on specific and exclusive grounds. Number 1, culpable violation of the Constitution. Treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, and betrayal of public trust. Issuing a decision that one party finds unfavorable is not an impeachable offense. Yung desisyon ng mga maestrado, 13-0, binasura ang impeachment case dahil unconstitutional. Hindi daw yan grounds for impeachment. Bakit? Ito, paniwanag. Issuing a decision that to equate a legal interpretation with betrayal of public trust is a dangerous precedent that undermines the very principle of judicial independence, a cornerstone of any constitutional democracy. Okay, so ito, may jurisprudence na nangyari na dito. In Macalintal versus Comelec, GR number 157013, July 10, 2023, the Supreme Court emphasized that when the court speaks, the Constitution speaks. O yun. Kasi sila nga interpreter ng law eh. It becomes the law of the land once na nag-decide ang Supreme Court. And then, further, in Francisco versus House of Representatives, GR number 160261, November 10, 2003, the court warned against using impeachment to penalize members of the judiciary for decisions made in the exercise of their constitutional mandate. Ito, klaro, hindi mo pwedeng takutin ang mga members ng judiciary o Supreme Court. Ito ang nakalagay sa Francisco ruling. To permit impeachment proceedings as a means of intimidation or punishment for unpopular decisions would be to place the independence of the judiciary in grave peril. Ayan. Nakalagay na pala. May ruling na tungkol dyan. Hindi nyo pwedeng takutin ang mga maestrado sa pamamagitan ng impeachment dahil lang hindi nyo gusto ang kanilang desisyon. Very clear. Why this matters? Bakit? Kailangan huwag takutin ang mga maestrado. Number 1, the Supreme Court must be free to interpret the Constitution without fear of reprisal. Correct. I agree. Number 2, impeachment is a constitutional safeguard, not a political weapon. Ito na yung nangyayari ngayon. Kay BP Sara, lumalabas, political weapon. Ginagamit ang impeachment para matanggal ang malakas na kalaban nila sa 2028. So, safeguard ito. May narinig akong nag-comment na isang abogado. Lahat daw na dumaan na political analyst para si Mr. Lito Binayaw o Binayo. Lahat daw na naunang impeachment si G. Corona, Erap, at saka Mercedes Gutierrez, these are all politically motivated. Not so much on demanding accountability, kailang may halong politika. Okay. To threaten justices with impeachment for performing their judicial function is tantamount to undermining the rule of law. I agree. Conclusion. Justices are not immune from accountability, but they are not accountable to political whims. They are not beholden to any political party. They are beholden to the Constitution and to the people. To disagree with a ruling is everyone's right. Okay yan, pwedeng mag-disagree. But to weaponize impeachment, nananakot ka na dahil pwede kayong magsampa ng impeachment. But to weaponize impeachment against the very institution sworn to uphold the Constitution is a threat to democracy itself. Kaya maraming nagtaka, maraming nasyak, kahit ako, yung ganong pahayag ng speaker na parang tinatakot niya na ang mga maestrado ng Korte Suprema. Okay, so magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Salde Avenas, please itag si Tambaluslos ani para mabasa niya. JM Barba ingig, ba't di alam ni Dilima to? Di ba lawyer din siya? MGR LMR, sabi niya, is Tambaluslos is still saying, may matino pa bang pag-iisip? Jazz Matrunyal, nalibat na si Tamba. Rolly Van Wyco, 13 versus 0, Savage. Ronel Manzanares, agoy, paktay ka, Tamba. Good job, sir. A long way to go. Fight, sir. Okay, so, hintayin natin. I'm sure, aksyonan kaagad ito ng Korte Suprema para hindi na mabitin ang taong bayan. Ang antabayanan natin ngayon sa Miyerkules, bukas na, no? Yung talakayin na sa Senado, botohan na nila anong official action ng Senado sa Supreme Court ruling, at sinasabi na ni Senator Jinggoy, mga 19 to 20 senators are in favor of obeying, respecting the ruling of the Supreme Court. So tama yun, para hindi tayo magkaroon ng constitutional crisis. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa